Yes, Mehakleen, first of all, I show your name, unmute yourself and give your introduction.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mehakleen Kaur, and
If possible, switch on your mic also, sorry, camera also, so that I can see your faces.
okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
afternoon.
good afternoon,
Uh,
good evening.
uh, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mehakleen Kaur, and basically, I'm from Patiala. I completed my plus two from Modern Senior Secondary School, Patiala, and basically, my hobbies are dancing. I love to dance, and that's all.
Have you prepared anything on the Teachers' Day?
Yes, ma'am. I haven't learned.
I
I have
request
looked
all
at.
this all other students to mute your mics, please, so that we can listen the speaker clearly. Yes, McLean.
I haven't learned it. It actually मैंने लिखा हुआ है मैम याद
कोई
नहीं
बात
किया
नहीं.
मैंने. Okay. Respected teacher and my fellow students, my name is Mehakleen Kaur. Today, I'm very glad to say the following few lines in praise of my teacher on this Teacher's Day. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder we see and become a better person with each and every discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teacher in his wisdom and grace was to help us learn to make our world a better wise place.
ना ना ये तो वैसे ही है जो टीचर्स डे है वैसे ही है वैसे
Thank you so much, McLean. Very
आज
good.
मैडम ने वैसे ही लगवाई है इंट्रोडक्शन है
Someone is speaking. Please mute yourself.
चाहिए ना तद नहीं कुछ चाहिए ऑनलाइन है सारा टिक करना
Yes, next one is Jashan.
बाहर रहूंगा मोबाइल
Jashan, unmute yourself. Okay, Mukesh. Mukesh, if you people are listening me, unmute yourself as I am announcing your names and give your introduction, and have you prepared anything, then you can recite that also. Gaurav Kumar. Gaurav Kumar, unmute yourself. Any student who wants to speak?
हेलो
Gaurav Kumar. Jaspreet Kaur.
Hello.
Harshdeep Singh. Yes, unmute yourself and switch on your camera. Yes,
Good evening, ma'am.
yes,
First of all, happy Teachers' Day again, ma'am.
thank you.
Ma'am, my name is Harshdeep. I reside in Patiala and I have shifted here 1 year ago from Haryana,
Okay,
and I have done my 12th in Scholar Fields Public School, and I have taken a small poem for you.
okay,
A teacher introduces us to a new vision of life to make us sharp as a knife. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you so much. Any other? Jaspreet Kaur, yes. Do you want to share anything? Unmute yourself. Jaspreet, do you listen me?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, start speaking. Give your introduction.
First of all, happy Teacher Day, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
My name is Jaspreet Kaur. Everyone calls me Jasu. I am from Mansa district. I completed my plus 2 in Meritorious School, Patiala. And I have a passion for reading and chatting with friends. That's all. Thank you.
Okay,
शेयर लिखा है टीचर डे पे.
fine. Any other one? Sajan Kumar. Raise your hands, whosoever wants to share his or her views. Raise your hand so that I can call him by name.
Hello.
Yes,
Namaste, ma'am.
good evening.
First of all, sorry, ma'am. First of all, happy Teacher Day, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Myself, Sajan Kumar Chabda from Nokeria.
Okay,
I can prepare for on this special day. Our teachers always encourage us to cover the distance of meals. So on this special day, accept our deep greetings with huge and beautiful smiles. A very, very happiest teacher day to all my respective teachers.
thank you, beta.
That's all.
You are from which place?
मैम नुकेरिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट फाइल का.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Yes, any other one? Gurvinder Pal Singh.
Ma'am, Gurinder Paul.
Pardon?
Ma'am, my name is Gurinder Paul. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Gurinder Paul, and I am from Ludhiana. I have done my plus 2 in Delhi Public School, Jalandhar, and I like playing cricket.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have prepared some quotes on the Teachers' Day. Those angels who enlighten our lives with the light of knowledge, curiosity, and wisdom are teachers. Being one is the highest privilege, and having one is the best blessing. A teacher is a person who surrounds her students with inspiration to learn again and again, more and more each and every day. So happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Karan Goyal. Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, good evening. And first of all, ma'am, happy Teachers Day to you.
Thank
And
you.
ma'am, my name is Karan, and I have studied from Budgal Public School, Patiala, which is one of the most prestigious schools in Patiala. And ma'am, I haven't written anything on Teachers Day, but yeah, I want to say one thing, that Happy Teachers Day, and you are the one who taught us to how to write and what can we write, and have a long life, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, beta.
And
Any other?
welcome.
Yes, any other raise hand? Okay, I haven't seen anybody who has raised the hand. Yes, Viva. Yes, Viva.
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
My name is Viva and I live in Roper. I completed my 12th from Sahibzada Jeet Singh Academy, Roper. My hobbies are drawing and writing.
Okay. You are in which branch?
ECM.
ECM?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Have you prepared anything, Viva?
Ma'am, I have not prepared, but I have written.
Okay.
Good afternoon to the respected teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. This is the day that we celebrate as a tribute to the effort and work of our teachers. The profession of teaching is one of the most difficult professions in the world because the teachers have the responsibility of educating the youth of nation. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Shaminder.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Good afternoon to my friends. I am Shminder from District Shri Muktsar Sahib, and I completed my 12th standard from National Public School.
Have you prepared anything?
No, ma'am. Sorry.
No problem. Okay. Any other who raised the hand? Yes. Nobody has raised the hand. Okay. Let me share something with you. As you know that I am taking your subject basic electronics. We talked about the subject from 7th of September onwards. This talk is only an introductory meeting in which I have told you about something that about the subject as well as the celebration of the Teachers' Day. First of all, I would like to congratulate to all of you for taking the admission in the Punjabi University. You have chosen one of the best institute, as you all here in the institute all are the well qualified teachers, well experienced teachers, and everything is very good. So, thanks and congratulations for your wise decision for choosing Punjabi University. As you have heard that there are 100% placement in last 2 years in the Punjabi University in the engineering department, especially in the electronics and communication engineering. Here, I think you people are from civil as well as ECM. Fine. So I know more about electronics and communication engineering and electronics and computer engineering. So in the electronics and computer engineering, yes, anybody wants to ask anything? Yes, Sejal, who's, yes. Uh, yes, yes, speak out. Mute, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I raised my hand for introducing myself, but I'll do after you complete. Please go ahead.
No. Give your introduction on your
Uh,
camera.
yes, ma'am. Hey everyone, I'm Shelja. I'm from Nabha, and I'm blessed that both of my parents are teachers too, and I have got bestest teachers from my school life too, and I hope I get the best of the best teachers in college too. So I haven't prepared anything special, but yeah, I want to speak out some lines. Ma'am, is it okay if they are in Punjabi?
No problem. You are in Punjabi University.
Yes, ma'am. ਅਧਿਆਪਨ ਪੇਸ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਬੱਧਤਾ ਹੈ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲਮ ਦੇ ਚਿਰਾਗ ਜਗਾ ਦੇਣ ਦਾ ਸਿਦਕ ਹੈ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਤੇ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦਾ ਸਰਨਾਮਾ ਹੈ ਲਗਨ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਦਾ ਮਹਿਕਦਾ ਅਹਿਸਾਸ ਹੈ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ
Thank you so much. So, uh, सबसे पहले, I would like to say, have you visited the Punjabi University website? It's Punjabi
Yes,
University
ma'am.
.ac.in. Under
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
you visit the, okay, then you visit the departments, your respective departments. You are having their own pages. As ECM students have the web page, electronics and electronics and communication engineering. There you find out the details of your teachers, your syllabus, your labs, everything. Fine, you download your syllabus from there only. We will also provide you the syllabus. Respective class teacher will provide you the syllabus also, as well as I have seen your queries regarding the books. When your classes starts, we will tell you books also. Fine. So need not to worry about anything, ma'am. What are the books? What is the syllabus? So as we started the classes from Monday, I will tell you each and everything step by step. Yes, 2-3 things kept in mind that when I am taking your class, first of all, take one separate notebook for your notes, and second, whatever the assignment or quiz or anything I have given to you, submit everything on time, because we are having the assessment side by side here. Then regarding the notes or the assignments or tutorials, I will provide you in the Google Classroom. As I have told you that to join the Google Classroom, civil students and ECM students, I have created the Google Classroom for 2 classes. So whatever the information or whatever the link for the class, that I will share in the Google Classroom only. So keep watching your Google Classroom for the links as well as for the assignments. Yes, you people are having one more query, that what is the mode of the lectures. We can take the lectures on Zoom, we can take the lectures on Google Meet, or we can take the lectures on free conference call also. So as according to the system available, or sometimes some app is busy at some times, we can switch to any of the 3 apps accordingly. So one more app, GoToMeeting. So you have these 3-4 apps in your mobile or in your laptops. Yes, one student has asked the question: is it required to take a laptop? It's optional. You can use your smartphone or you can take laptop as per your wish. It is not uh, means anything compulsory for from our side to use the laptop. Okay, as per your convenience you can use anything. Um, Anything you want to ask before concluding this session? If you are having any queries, unmute one by one and I will give you the answers. Yes. Anybody wants to ask any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम यूनिवर्सिटी कब से खुलनी है?
यूनिवर्सिटी कब से खुलनी है ये तो नहीं पता बेटा, जब सारी सिचुएशन कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगी, कोविड का ये पेंडेमिक खत्म हो जाएगा तब यूनिवर्सिटी खुलेगी, बिकॉज सेफ्टी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल एज द स्टाफ इज ऑन द प्रायोरिटी बेसिस, as these days COVID is very much spreading. So we are concerned about the security and the safety of our students. So unless vaccination or the thing is to be at the end, whatever happens first, after that the university will open. Yes. Any other? Don't worry about to open the university. We will provide you the material, content, classes, lab material, everything online. So you need not to feel about कि आप यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं आ रहे हो तो आपका कुछ मिस हो रहा है. Virtually we all are together. Yes, any other query? Yes, one more thing from my side is that कि जो आप लोगों ने Google Classroom join किया है, join that Google Classroom with your authentic Gmail account as well as with your name. If anybody, I find sometimes somebody has written like here I find 00 Vivo 904. These are not your names. If whether you are on Google Meet, whether you are on Zoom, enter with your name, full name plus your roll number. Otherwise we will remove the student from the class. So whenever you enter the class, enter your full name. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other thing you want from your side? Any query?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, switch on your camera
No,
so that
ma'am.
I can click one photograph from all of you. How you feel to join the university?
Good, ma'am.
Ankit Dhingra, you haven't speak anything. You are from which place?
Ma'am, Jalandhar.
Jalandhar. Okay. And how
Ma'am,
much
sorry, ma'am.
Pardon?
Due to ma'am, my Wi-Fi suddenly got stopped. तो उसके कारण मैम रह गया था.
रह गया
Wi-Fi
था.
का कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई थी. हाँ जी
Okay,
मैम.
no
Wi-Fi.
problem, no problem. And there is one student, Jashan ki just Noor, just wait. Jason, Jason. Who is that student? From 5-6 group. Has he attended the class? Okay, fine. Nice to see your beautiful faces. Keep smiling like this always. And if you are having any type of doubt related to the subject or any query, you can message me in the group. But don't do irrelevant messages in the group. I give your queries, I answer your queries if that is relevant only. Fine. If one question is one same question is asked by all the students, don't think that I will answer to each and everyone. Fine. As in the group, someone is asking when the classes are started, then everyone is asking when the classes are started, when the classes are. It's on from 7th. I know you are from the first year and you are eagerly waiting to join the classes, but be patient, be what I can say, enjoy your classes from Monday onwards. And after that you said, ma'am, please mat lo class, mat lo, ab chhod do. ठीक है? So everything step by step we will move, and hopefully you will enjoy your subject, basic electrical engineering. And if you are feeling any uncomfortable or any doubts in the class, you can message me in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So anybody capture the photograph?
No, ma'am.
Please do capture and share it on WhatsApp group also. Fine.
Someone can click.
Yeah. Because you people are having more options. Fine. So nice to see all of you. Sajan, Sumit, Ankit, Mehakleen, Karan, Tanveer, Shaminder. Shaminder, you haven't switched on your camera. Then Amrit, Jasprit, Daljit, Harpreet Singh, Viva, then Jaskirat, गुरपिंदर. तो जो मैंने ये वाला आपका एक सेशन लिया है, just to make you familiar with me as well as with the system. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
आपको सबको Google Classroom यूज करना आता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everyone? Zoom यूज करना आता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go to meeting यूज करना आता है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Google meeting?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. तो yes, I have shared one video with you, free conference call.
Yes, ma'am.
वो भी आता है यूज करना?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. You people are comfortable with which mode? Which app is more comfortable to all of you?
Which you select, ma'am?
Everything is comfortable.
One by one. Yes,
Everything is comfortable, ma'am.
Harpreet.
All apps, ma'am.
Okay. Shaminder.
No labs. Okay.
Okay. Ankit.
Any app.
Huh?
Ma'am, any app. All apps
Any
are okay
app.
for me.
Okay. That's a spirit. Good. So whatever app we are using, I will tell you before day one, so that you people be comfortable with that. Hopefully we are using Google Meet only, but in any case अगर कोई problem कहीं पे आती है तो we have to switch to another one. Fine. So
Yes, ma'am.
thank you to all of you for joining this meeting. And I have seen only 28 participants. I have given the invitation to both the classes, B5, 6 and 7, 8. I don't see such type of absentees in my regular classes. I am a strict teacher. I am not means I don't like indiscipline in my class. So few things. I am friendly also. I am friendly also, but I am strict as well. Fine. So any query, any question from your side, ask. Otherwise, we will leave the
No,
meeting.
ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
bye
Thank
to
you.
all of you then.